Welcome back to Nomad. Today, we're inside this luxurious camper, and I can't wait to show you this amazing bedroom with its sunset view. Take a look at this. Wow. You can immediately feel the plush foam when you press in. It cradles perfectly. This is incredibly soft, highly recommend. The softness here is unreal. When I press down, it just melts away. This is exactly what you want after a long day out.
All right, time to check out this toilet. Seems sturdy enough. All right, first up, let's check out this faucet. The pressure is great. And now for the coffee maker. Nice and easy. This panel controls everything, super intuitive. Check out this amazing hot tub with a view, and see the cozy bedroom and kitchen.
Welcome to the Nomad balcony. This space perfectly blends luxury and the outdoors, especially with this incredible sunset view over the ocean. The engineering up here is incredible, maximizing both power with these panels and this breathtaking view. Truly magnificent. Cheers. If you're looking for the ultimate outdoor sofa, this is it. The comfort level is fantastic, and the Nomad life and style quality is evident everywhere.